Children, it is a continuation of the solution of odd questions for 100% score in mathematics. Take the first question. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. So what is the question? Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. Here consecutive odd positive integers. Odd numbers means the difference between them is 2. So if you take the first odd positive integer is x, then the other odd positive integer becomes x plus 2. So let x and x plus 2 are two consecutive odd positive integers. Odd positive integers. Here why you have to take x and x plus 2 as they are odd. Let us take some example here. Consider the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. So what is the difference between them? See here, the difference between 1 and 3 is 2. Difference between 3 and 5 is 2. Again the difference between 5 and 7 is 2. So as the difference between the odd number is 2, here we have to take x and x plus 2 are the two consecutive odd positive integers. Next they said their squares is 290. The sum of their squares is 290. Sum of their squares is 290. So you take sum of their squares. The square of x is x square and square of x plus 2 is x plus 2 whole square. Their sum means you take plus. That equals what? 290. The sum of their squares is 290. The square of x square and square of x plus 2 whole square adds up to 290. Then you write x square as it is, x square plus. Write the expansion of x plus 2 the whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. You know the expansion of a plus b the whole square. What is the expansion of a plus b the whole square? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is the expansion of x plus 2 the whole square? That is x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. It becomes x square plus 2 into x into 2 is 4x plus 4. So let us write the expansion of x plus 2 the whole square is x square plus 4x plus 4 equals 290. Equals 290. Then you can add this x square and x square. What is the sum of x square and x square? That is 2x square plus 4x you write as it is and plus 4. Transfer this 290 to LHS. That becomes 290 equals 0. 290 equals 0. Then you write 2x square as it is plus 4x also as it is. Then plus 4 minus 290. Here minus 290 is having negative sign. Subtract 4 from 290. And what is the sum of 4 and minus 290? That is 2. 290 minus 4 you will get 286. 286. But here you know that this is minus, this is plus. As they are having different sign, we have to subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So it becomes minus 286 equals 0. Then again you can observe here 2, 4 and 286. They are having the common, that is 2. So you remove 2 outside as a common, and in the bracket you will get x square plus 4x means 2 is outside, 2 2s are 4. So you write 2x minus 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 3s are. 2 into 143 is 286. That equals 0 you write. Then you can cancel this 2 and you write x square plus 2x minus 143 equals 0. Now you got the quadratic equation which is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. You know the method of solving the quadratic equation. There are 3 different methods to solve the quadratic equation. One is by splitting the middle term, that is by the method of factorization. And the other one is by completing square method. And third one is by using the formula. You can solve any quadratic equation by using the formula. But the simple method is factorization method. It takes short time. So, if it is possible, try to factorize it taking sum and product. You know that the product becomes minus 143 into x square, that is PQ equals minus 143 x square, and the sum is P plus Q is 2, and find the table in which 143 is there. You know that here this is not in the table 2, 3, 5, 7 etc. But you can observe here the sum of the alternate digit 143. 1 plus 3 is 4. So you can say that it is divisible by 11. So if you factorize it, 11 ones are, 3 is remaining 3. 11 threes are. So the factors are here. You can write that 143x square. The factors, you know that here the sum is positive, then it becomes plus 14 plus 13x minus 11x, and the sum of these two is 2x you will get, and product is minus 143 is x square. So here you write x square plus 13x minus 11x minus 143 equals 0. Then you remove common out of these two and remove common out of these two. So what is common in x square and 13x? X is common. In the bracket what is remaining? Here x is remaining. You write x and you write plus, and 13 is remaining here. Then out of this 11 and 143, you know that 11 13s are 143. So you write minus 11 in the bracket x. The sign becomes plus, as here minus. Outside the bracket there is negative sign, so the sign changes here. So you can write x plus 13 equals 0. Then you write x plus 13. These two are same. So you remove that as a common, and in the other bracket x minus 11 you will get. X minus 11 equals 0. Now equate each factors to 0. X plus 13 equals 0 or x minus 11 equals 0. Then you solve these two equations, x equals minus 13 and x equals 11. As they are positive integer, you consider the positive. So you take x equals 11. The next one is x plus 2, that is 11 plus 2 equals 13. Therefore, the two consecutive positive odd numbers are, odd positive integers are 11 and 13. The two odd positive integers are 11 and 13. Children, if you don't know how to factorize, then you can use the formula here. By using formula and by simplifying that relation, you will get the value of the x here. So if you want to solve that by using the formula, that also you can use here. So you write that equation x square plus 2x minus 143 equals 0. You write by using formula. By using formula, so you write that quadratic equation. What is that quadratic equation? X square plus 2x minus 143 equals 0. X square minus 2x, x square plus 2x minus 143 equals 0. Now, before writing the formula, find the values of a, b and c. A is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. B is the coefficient of x, that is 2 plus 2. And c is minus 143. Minus 143. Then you write the formula. X equals minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then you write x equals minus b is minus 2. In the place of b you write minus, in the place of b you write 2. Minus b means minus 2 plus or minus. Again b square is 2 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 143. C value is minus 143. Again 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Then you write x equals minus 2 plus or minus whole root 2 square. 2 square is 4 minus the product of 4 into 1 into 143. Here minus into minus becomes plus. First you write plus. And 4 ones are 4. 143 into 4. 4 3s are 12. And 4 4s are 16 plus 1. 17. And you know that 4 was a 4 plus 1, 5. 572 you got. That divided by 2. Then x equals minus 2 plus or minus whole root 576. The sum of these two is 576. That divided by 2. X equals minus 2 plus or minus. Then what is the square root of 576? You must know the square root of 576, or otherwise use the method 576. Make the group here. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1 plus 2 add here. That becomes 4. And you know that 176 you can write 4. 44 4s are 176. So the square root of 576 is 24. You must by heart these square roots, then only you can write the square roots quickly. Otherwise you must calculate by using the method. Then x equals minus 2 plus or minus 24 by 2. So you can write minus 2 plus 24 by 2, or x equals minus 2 minus 24 by 2. Then you write, it becomes x equals minus 2 plus 24, that is 24 minus 2 is 22 by 2, or x equals minus 2 minus 24, you add and take the negative sign, minus 26 it becomes. 24 plus 2 is 26 by 2. Then you got x equals 2 1s are 2 11s are, or x equals 2 1s are 2 minus 13s are. As usual you take this one. x equals 11 and x plus 2 equals 11 plus 2, that equals 13. Here also you got the same value, but it takes more time. If you know the method of factorizing, then it becomes easy for you and saves the time. So, but if you don't know the method of factorizing by taking the sum and the product, use the formula. And next you take the second question. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta equals 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1. That you have to show here. Now you consider the LHS. So you write down the LHS. LHS equals sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. That equals, here you take the LCM of these two. LCM of these two is nothing but the product of the two. So you write the LCM is sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now in the numerator, this into this plus this into this. So it becomes sin theta minus sin theta into sin theta minus sin theta. The product of these two. So you can write that sin theta minus cos theta whole square. And you write plus. That is sin theta plus cos theta whole square. This 2 into we have to write. So this into this is sin theta minus cos theta whole square, and this into this is sin theta plus cos theta whole square, because the LCM is the product of these two only. So you have to take in the numerator this into this plus this into this. Next you write the expansion of this by using the identity a minus b the whole square. You know this square of the first term. Write that sin theta minus cos theta whole square, a minus b the whole square, is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square means sin square theta minus 2ab means 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Then b square is plus cos square theta. So the expansion of this is sin square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta. Now you write the expansion of this by using the identity a plus b the whole square plus, you write a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is square of the first term sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta 2ab plus cos square theta. Then the product of these two, you know that this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So first term and second terms are same here, and first one is plus, second one is minus here. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Square of the first term minus square of the second term. So you write square of the first term a square, that is sin square theta, minus square of the second term, that is b square cos square theta. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Then you write here minus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta becomes cancelled. What? Minus 2 sin theta cos theta and plus 2 sin theta cos theta cancels. So cancel them. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus, here you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta. By sin square theta, and here it is 2 sin square theta minus 1 and cos square theta is not there. So in the place of cos square theta you write 1 minus sin square theta, because you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So sin square theta equals 1 minus cos square theta. Then that equals, here the sum of these two, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you write 1. This is also 1 plus 1. You write that equals 1 plus 1. And in the denominator you write sin square theta as it is, and here you open the bracket. That becomes minus of 1 is minus 1, and minus into minus is plus, plus sin square theta. That equals 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by sin square theta is 2 sin square theta minus 1. 2 sin square theta minus 1. So you got, that is RHS. RHS equals 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1. Therefore you proved that sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta equals 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1. 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1. You got the result here. You proved. Now you take the third question. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Here read the question carefully. What is that question? From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter building is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Children, here you have a sketch. Here what is there? Transmission tower is there. That is fixed. The transmission tower is fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. So let us have this sketch here. Consider a 20-meter high building. And on that 20-meter high building, consider it is 20 meter. There is a transmission tower. Consider it is a transmission tower. And the bottom and the top of the transmission tower is viewed from a point on the ground. So from a point on the ground, consider this is a point on the ground. This is a point on the ground. You take the point here. From this point, the bottom and top of the towers are viewed. So consider this is the view of the bottom. So what is the angle of elevation here? Angle of elevation of the bottom is how much? 45 degree. So right, it is 45 degree. Then angle of elevation of the top of the transmission tower. So you take angle of elevation of the top of the transmission tower. So what is that angle? That angle is 60 degree. That is angle 60 degree. Now here what we have to find out? We have to find the height of the tower. Consider let x be the height of the tower, and you take it is A, B, C, and height of the building is here 20 meter. Now here what you have to, now let us consider the point on the ground is D, and C is the top and B is the bottom of the tower, and AB is a building. So you take, first you take this right angle triangle ABD, and also next you take the right angle triangle CAD. So write here AB is given, that is 20 meter, ABD in right angle triangle BAD. Here you take the angle 45 degree. So to that angle, this AB is the opposite side and AD is the adjacent side. So you take the trigonometric ratio, that is tan theta, which is opposite side by adjacent side. So you write that tan theta equals opposite side by adjacent side. That equals what? Tan how much? Tan 45 degree equals AB, opposite side is AB by AD. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1 and AB is 20. So I write 20 and AD. So you got AD is equals to 20 meter. AD you got 20 meter. Now use the triangle CAD. Then you will get AC, and AC minus AB is equals to BC you will get. So write in the right angle triangle CAD, that is same ratio you take. Tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. So write that tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. That is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is, here you write the ratio AC by AD. AC by AD. What is the value of tan 60 degree? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 equals AC. AC is nothing but AB plus X. AB plus X by AD. Then you write root 3 is equals to AB is 20 plus X. AD is also 20. Then do the cross multiplication. 20 root 3 equals 20 plus X. Here we have to find the value of X. So you transfer this 20 to the other side. 20 root 3 minus 20 equals X. That is 20 into root 3 minus 1 equals X. So X equals what? 20 into root 3 minus 1. This is the height of the tower. And if you take the approximate value, here X equals 20 into, what is the approximate value of root 3? Root 3 is approximately 1.73 minus 1. Then X into 20 into 1.73 minus 1 is 0.73. Then you will get 73.2 is 6, 146. 146 0 means 14 point. Approximately you will get 14.60 meter. That is approximate, not the exact here. because here this root 3 exact value you can't get, as this is a irrational number, so you got the approximate value of root 3. Therefore the height of the tower is 14.6 meter. Height of the tower is 14.6 meter. Fourth question we take. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of the three terms is 24 and their product is 480. Write three terms of the arithmetic progression. So here what are given? It is given that in an arithmetic progression, the sum of three terms is 24 and their product is 480. Write three terms of the arithmetic progression. The sum of three terms. Here it is not given that the three terms are first three terms. So the three terms are consecutive terms. So let us take the second term is A and the first term is A minus D and the third term is A plus D. Here it is better to take in this way, because if you take A minus D, A and A plus D, it helps to use while taking their product. Otherwise it becomes difficult for you to find the answer. That takes more time and more thinking also. Now if you take like this way, it becomes easy for you. So let us take the three terms are. So let us take let the three terms are A minus D, A plus D. A minus D, A plus D. This is the first term, A1. This is second term. This is third term. So you have taken the middle term is A. Now their sum is 24. So you write A minus D plus A plus D equals what? 24. Here you that three terms are A minus D, A plus D. So their sum equals 24. So you have taken A minus D plus A plus D equals 24. Now here what you can observe, minus D and plus D cancels. A plus A is 3A equals 24. A equals 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3 8s are 8 you got. Here you got the second term. Here A is not the first term, that is the second term. Now their product is 480. So you take A minus D into A plus D equals 480. Then you write A minus D, that is 8 minus D into 8 into A plus D. Here in the place of A, write 8. So it becomes 8 minus D into 8 plus D. 8 plus D equals what? 480. Now you transfer this to the RHS and write the product of these two. It becomes 8 square minus D square, because A minus B into A plus B. That equals 480 by that 8 comes to the, so right, 8 here. So 8 square is 64 minus D square, that equals 8 ones are 8 60s are 60 you got. Now you transfer this to this side and this to this side. So it becomes 64 minus 60 equals D square. Then 64 minus 60 is 4 equals D square. So d equals what? Square root of 4, that equals plus or minus 2. You can take either plus 2 or minus 2. So same values are going to get if you take plus 2 or if you take minus 2. So if you take d to a value you got. So if you take if d equals 2, then a minus d, that is a is 8, 8 minus d, that is 8 minus 2 equals 6, a plus d. So a, you know, you write here a8, a plus d, that is 8 plus 2, 10. So the three numbers here, if you take this is a1, this is a2, this is a3. Then the three terms are here 6, 8, 10. The three numbers are 6, 8, 10. If you take d equals minus 2, what happens? D equals minus 2, then a minus d means 8 minus 2, that becomes 8 plus 2, 10. And a8, a plus d, that is 8 plus minus 2, that is 8 minus 2, 6. So you got in the reverse order, 6, 8, 10 here, 10, 8, 6. Same numbers you will get, but they are in the reverse order, 10, 8, 6. So the three numbers are same, 6, 8, 10. So the three terms of the arithmetic progression are, so you take not numbers, three terms. Now let us take the next question, fifth question. A toy is in the shape of a cone mounted on a hemisphere of common base of radius 7 cm. The total height of the toy is 30 cm. Find the volume of the toy. Use y equals 22 by 7. Use y equals 22 by 7. Now let us have the rough sketch. Here the toy is in the shape of, in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere of common base of radius 7 cm. Now you consider the rough sketch of the toy. Here toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere, common base of radius. Here the base of the both cone and the hemispherical portion is 7. So you take r equals 7, and this is also 7. From here to here the total height is given. What is the total height? That is 30 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. And what is the height of the cone? That is h here. That is equals to what? 30 minus 7, that is equals to 23 centimeter. 30 minus 7 is 23 centimeter. Now here what is given? R equals, that is common for both cone and hemisphere, r equals 7 centimeter, and height with respect to the cone, that is 23 centimeter. Total height of the toy is given, that is 30 centimeter, and the height of the conical portion is 30 minus 7 centimeter, that is equals to 23 centimeter. Now let us write the formula for the volume of both. Here the total volume of the toy becomes the sum of the volume of the conical portion and the sum of the volume of the hemispherical portion. Totals of volume of the toy is equals to what? Volume of the conical portion plus volume of the hemispherical portion. Therefore you write volume of toy equals volume of toy equals volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then you can remove something common. 1 by 3 is there, 2 by 3 is there, so you can remove 1 by 3. Pi is there, remove that outside, pi, and r square is there, r cube is there, r square is common, remove that outside, and here what is remaining? H is remaining. Here 2, this is outside, 1 by 3 and 5 is outside, so 2 r cube means r square is outside here, so what is remaining here? R. That equals 1 by 3, pi you have to use 22 by 7, r is 7, r square means you write 7 into 7, h is how much? That is 23. 23 plus 2 into r is 7. Then 7 ones are cancels. Then equals 1 by 3, 22 into 7. 22 into 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. So it becomes 154 into 23 plus 2 7s are 14. That equals 1 by 3 into 154 into 23 plus 14 is 37. Now you get the product of these two. 154 into 37. Then you will get, that is 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37, and 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. Then 4 3s are 12 and 15 3s are 45 plus 1 46. 8 9 6 5 6 9 8 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 5 minus 3 2, 2 6, 3 8s are 24, 2 is remaining, 2 9 29, and 3 9s are 27, 2 is remaining, 2 8, 3 9s are 27, 1 is remaining, point 3 3s are, again you will get 3 3 3, repeat here. So write 1899.33 cm cube. That is the answer you got here. So the volume of the toy equals volume of toy equals 1899.33 cm cube.